What's up, guys? I'm back again with another YouTube video. And I didn't go to school because I had to go to the doctor's. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go down here.
You owe me $2. I gotta get gas.
You want to get soda?
Come on. Go get your charger. He's trying to say his charger's not an Apple product.
I'm bored, so like, this video is not gonna be about nothing.
You're selling my landscaping trailer too. You're just selling everything, huh?
Because that trailer is not big enough for the side-by-side, so what's the point of having it?
So you're getting a bigger one.
I'll probably get a car trailer.
See, there's that cardboard that's flying everywhere. Excuse me.
The battery's probably weak. That's probably why it wasn't running well.
But anyway, I'm about to go back outside, but I'm about to do my hair, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm trying to work on getting my intro. It's not probably going to be like, I'm not gonna have an intro probably till like Christmas, because right now my computer is slow, so I'm not gonna be having a computer, and I can't find my charger to my other computer, so I probably won't be having an editor thing to edit my videos and all that. But I do have that apps on my phone, so yeah. I want to do my hair because I'm just saying it's hot outside. No, I just said it's hot outside. It's windy out, so. It's hot out. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing my hair because my hair is just in the way. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing to this hair. This camera might be upside down. I don't know what's wrong with it. And then, see, I don't want it perfectly down because it just looks like I'm bald half of the videos I do. So. And this is really all I'm doing. I just want it back because it's just in the way sometimes. And usually for school, like on Monday, I'm gonna have my hair done. Well, not professionally done, but done. Like over the weekend, I'll get my hair done. I'll have it. Probably braid it by one of my family members. So. This is like adjusting, but it's just too hot in my house. So, I'm bored. I'm not bored, but you know. There goes my brush. Right there.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing. There goes my person. I was looking for this morning. Here goes my other brush. And I either wear this one to sleep, that helps the most, or my rag. So yeah. And if you want to, I will do a room tour, but my room's just a mess. It has a whole bunch of bags and clothes on it. Exactly, see, like you can see it has a whole bunch of bags on it. But I will be doing a room tour. Yeah, my room's just a mess. I just had to clean it. It's not a mess, it's just like clothes are on the floor and everywhere. So yeah, like when I get my hair done, like when I got my hair professionally done, I did have this YouTube channel, but like he kept signing me out. And usually when I get my hair done, and I want it for like in a week or something, like I just put this in it so it can stay. So yeah. But right now I'm just walking around because I'm bored and school, my friends are still not out. I don't know what time it is. I will be able to tell on my iPad, but because I don't know where my clock is. It is 2:49. They're still not to get it out 3:09. My teacher. The 4th. So yeah, I will be doing a room tour and all that. So yeah. See right here, this is the part I love about my room is that like when I make any type of video, the light is just perfect, and I just see it makes my skin look just like more presentable. This is where I love taking my pictures, and it just looks. Oh, I just love it because like out here it just that's good, and my eyes change like a whole different color. So yeah, I'll be having pictures up, and yeah, see like even if I do this, like open my blinds up, it's still the same thing as like over here. So I am gonna be posting videos more often when I get my computer, vlog and all that. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I'm gonna drop my Instagram, my TikTok, yeah. And make sure you go follow them. Stay tuned for another video. It's gonna be coming, but I don't want this video too long, so we're gonna make another video probably soon.